Oh, come on. What do you think? You know what? Doug needs to put one of these on his hot dog cart. Little brat. I tell you what, you'll be able to sell those things for 20 bucks. Here we go. Yeah. So that's actually some footage from a live video that I did last week, and I had Rich from Just Cook the Damn Food in the live, and we were talking. But so what I did was I did a live video, and I was going to be cooking in this pit boss, and it would not work. I was doing it live, and wouldn't you know it, it would not work. This will be the third attempt. Each time I have tried this, it has failed. Turn it on. If you can see down here, it shows it's working. And it gives an error. By the way, the part was the auger, as according to them, what was bad. It's coming. It'll be here in a few days, and I'll be replacing it and showing the repair on this channel once I get it, and it was under warranty, and we'll get this back up and rolling. But I'm just going to show some footage from the live video. We made some brats. These are some hot and spicy brats. They turned out really, really good. So jump along if you want to watch this. Live videos is something I enjoy doing, so I do them from time to time, and just took some of the clip of this 90-minute video into a real short one so you can see what we did. Here we go. So I was originally going to cook the bath of the ginger ale on it, and now we can't. Change of plans, I guess. Got to be able to pivot when things like that happens, and that's exactly the plan here. Right here, and then what I'm going to do is we just got some onions in there, and I'm going to turn this on, and we're going to just add a little butter in here like that, and we're going to let that butter kind of melt up a little bit, and then mix that in there. Right there you go. Go ahead and raise this thing up just a smidgen. Oh yeah, there we go. Just look at those. We got that cooking up with butter. Yeah, now we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to add, this is a famous ginger ale. We're just going to pour some of this in there. Yeah, a little Canadian dry. Oops, okay, gotta get it there so you can see it. Canadian dry ginger ale right there. A little splash of that. A little splash of water. And we're going to add a little bit of seasoning to it. How about some B&B Trinity seasonal? When I get that, I'll show all that. And we're just going to let this heat up and just kind of simmer like that. Well, let me turn the light on. Well, it should have a light. 60. Oops, we're on Celsius. Hang on. Get the Fahrenheit. There we go. Ooh, 145. 147. I went back to Celsius, wrong button. 160. Okay. Yeah, these are ready to go in the bath inside. They've been out here for a while, so I'm just going to run in there. I ain't going to carry the camera around, and that would make you sick watching me walk. I'll be right back. All right. Just going to place these right in here. Like I said, we're doing ginger ale instead of beer. We're going to let these sit in here. And the thing is, I don't think you can, yeah, see, the handle, this one's too big. and you can't really shut it. So that's a shame. But there you go. Nice looking little plate there. Nothing else. Huh. If nothing else, that's got to be a good, I got to turn this around here because, oh yeah. Good photo, good little thumbnail shot. Take a look at that. Don't that look good? Heck yeah. Looks pretty darn good, don't it? And right now is where I would put it on the pit balls, but it isn't working. So I guess what I'll do without burning myself, let me get this, is I'll just take this in there and let it get on the stove. We're going to see if we can't get a flame or something going out here, and then we'll sear them here in a little bit. Oh, nice sizzle lizzle right there. Man, that smells good with those onions. Give them a little bit of a sear now. All right. There we go. Apologize for the lighting, but make it do. Oops. The squirt's going there. All right, got that up in there. And then we're going to add one of those. And we got to get some of this onion over here as well. I put some of that on here. Could have put some bell peppers. Could have put some garlic. But man, that smells amazing. Yeah, right there. Get a little light. Get a little light on that for a minute. Oh, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, that is incredible. Mm-hmm. Wow. That is so juicy, and the flavor of that onion and everything is in here. But that's actually spicy, a little bit spicy. It's got the jalapeños in there. Yep. Very, very tasty. The goal was to get out here and have this thing done about the time sun went down, but you see how well that happened. But anyway, there it is.